Did you know? Pampanga is a province of the Philippines located in the central Luzon region. Its capital is the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pampanga is bordered by the provinces of Bataan and Zambales to the west, Tarlac and Nueva Ecija to the north, and Bulacan to the southeast. Angeles City, although within the geography of Pampanga, is classified as a first-class, highly urbanized city and has a government independent of Pampanga. The name La Pampanga was given by the Spaniards who found the early natives living near the river banks. It also served as the capital of the archipelago for 2 years, from 1762 to 1764, during the British invasion of Manila. However, history shows evidence of the province of Pampanga itself being a descendant of what was known back then as the Kingdom of Tondo, or the Luzon Empire. The word Pampang, from which the province's name originates, means river bank. Its creation in 1571 makes it the first Spanish province in the Philippines. The province of Pampanga is the culinary capital of the Philippines. Pampanga is served by the Diosdado Macapagal International Airport, which is located at Clark Freeport Zone in Angeles City and Mabalacat, some 16 kilometers north of the provincial capital. The province is home to 2 Philippine Air Force air bases, Basa Air Base in Florida Blanca and the former U.S. Clark Air Base in Angeles City. The inhabitants of Pampanga are generally referred to as Kapampangans, Pampangos, and Pampangueños. Kapampangan cuisine is widely thought to be among the most evolved and refined of Philippine culinary traditions. Farming and fishing are 2 main industries of the province. Major products include rice, corn, sugarcane, and tilapia. In addition to farming and fishing, the province also supports thriving cottage industries that specialize in wood carving, furniture making, guitars, and handicrafts. Every year during the Christmas season, the province of Pampanga becomes the center of a thriving industry centered on handcraft lighted lanterns called paroles that displays a kaleidoscope of light and color.